Hello, my dear children of class 1. Welcome back again. Today, again, I have got a new lesson for you all. That is Li Thamjung Pong. Okay, so Li Thamjung Pong means domestic animal. Okay, so today we are going to learn domestic animals. Okay, so now the first one in our lesson is big, bigu. Okay, so first one is bigu. So bigu in English we called COW, cow. Okay, so bigu means what? Cow. Okay, so bigu means what? Cow. Big, bigu means cow. Okay, so next one is big, long, big, long. Okay, so bigu means cow, big, long means ox. Okay, so big, long means what? Ox. Okay, bigu means cow. Okay, now third one is Sar means goat. So sar means what? Goat. Okay, sar means what? Goat. Okay, bigu means cow, big, long, ox, sar, goat. Okay, so now fourth one is mon, mon means pig. Okay, mon means pig. Mon means pig, pig. Okay, so now fifth is means dog. Kuju means dog. Dog. Okay, so bigu means cow, big, long is ox, so r is goat, mon is pig, kuju is dog. Now sixth, terok karishuni hick. Hick means hen. Okay, hick means hen. Okay, so bigu means cow, big, long, ox, so r goat, mon pig, kuju dog, hick hen. Okay, so now number 7 is aliu. So this one is year. Okay, this one is year. Aliu means cat. Aliu means cat. Okay, so cow, ox, goat, pig, dog, hen and cat. Okay, these are the Li Thamjung Pong domestic animals. So today we are going to learn up to 1 to 7 domestic animals. Okay, name of the 7 domestic animals. Okay, so I hope you learn this one, okay, by heart. And what you have to do, you have to write the same things in your lecture copy. Okay, so see you in next